The NS62 is a luminaire that I'm personally very proud of. We have a cooperation with some seating suppliers that actually have helped us to basically deliver a luminaire that has exact same frame as their seating plates. Why that is important to mention is because if we are talking about a luminaire that has the same type of frame as the seating plate, then the installation is very fast. And this has been throughout the project very important for us. So if I turn this luminaire on the other side here, we are able to see a frame. There is for some similar, which means that you can actually have a pretty much look of that same kind of sealing that you know from, for instance, Ecophon and Rockfon as well, which is great brands from Europe. The luminaire, we have tried to make that really simple. So we have a switch that is able to switch between 3000 and 4000 Kelvin. And then we have a high CRI, which is 90. And then we also have a really high lumens per watt, which is 140. So we try to keep it very simple for this luminaire, which makes it possible to stock high quantity and deliver really fast. The luminaire comes in two different variations, however, and that is with the opal or microprismatic front. And if there is an option for, let's say, black frame, that is also possible, because some of the seating suppliers have a black ceiling right now. So if we have a project with that, then we can do it with black as well. So overall, as I mentioned, really proud for this luminaire. It's a great solution for fast installation and also for a great light quality.